The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC's decision to recognize Mawsaw as a separate village has triggered strong opposition from local authorities, raising questions about the process and its implications. The Rangbah Shnong of Urmasi-u-Joh under Khyrim's imship, Phaston Wankhar, criticized the 13th December 2024 order, calling it a politically motivated move ahead of the district council elections. He stated that the decision bypassed the consent of the Dorbar Shnong of Urmasi-u-Joh and Hima Khyrim, both of which hold jurisdiction over the area. The controversy deepened as the Dorbar Shnong of Urmasi also opposed the recognition, asserting territorial claims over Mawsaw. Rangbah Shnong P. Wankhar further pointed out that the Sejm of Hima Khyrim had not issued a no-objection certificate or NOC, a critical step for recognizing a new village. The Dorbar Shnong of Urmasi-u-Joh has convened an emergency meeting to address the issue and plans to press the KHADC to rescind its order. The situation underscores mounting tensions over governance, territorial boundaries, and procedural transparency in the Khasi Hills.
Pertaining to the recognition of the district council, a new village named Mawsaw to BACKLASH non-Khmer Oxford. So, regarding this matter, regarding this order, the recognition of a new village by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council under the chairmanship of Shri Phaston Wankhar NCM, Deputy CM, then Deputy CM. Now he resigned. So, Shri Phaston CM as CM also, this is the conspiracy amongst both of them. Both of them, Shri Phaston CM and Phaston CM and Shri Phaston NCM. The conspiracy how to create the new village were opposed by the Dorbar Shnong of Urmasi-u-Joh. Not only that, he already ignored the Dorbar of Khyrim. So, as per this order passed by the KHADC, the Dorbar Shnong of Urmasi-u-Joh has strong opposed to this order. We demand, the Dorbar demand, the CM and Shri Phaston and Phaston NCM to dispose such illegal order because he didn't go through as per procedures. So that's why we demand from the KHADC to withdraw this order.